In today's video, I am going to teach you how to vinculate discount code with Klaviyo. To begin, make sure you are logged into your Klaviyo account and you are in the main dashboard. We are going to start by creating the coupon inside Klaviyo, and then we will place that coupon into an email template so it can be sent to subscribers automatically. First, go to the content menu and then select coupons. This is where Klaviyo manages coupon connections with your e-commerce platform. In the top right corner, click Create Coupon. When the platform options appear, choose Shopify or select the platform you use if it is different. This selection matters because Klaviyo needs to generate a code that matches the rules and format supported by your store. Next, enter a coupon name. Use a name that is easy to recognize later, especially if you plan to create multiple offers. Then choose the discount type. A common choice is percentage, but select the option that matches your promotion. Take a moment to confirm the settings on the screen, since this is what determines what customers will receive at checkout. When you are ready, click Create Coupon to finish generating it. Now that the coupon exists, you will add it to your email. Go back to Content, then choose Templates. Find and open the email template you want to use for this promotion. Once you are inside the email editor, drag a text block into the body of the email. Place it where it will be easy to see, such as near your offer message or close to the call to action. With the text block selected, click Personalization, which is shown as a user icon. In the personalization options, select your coupon. This inserts the coupon dynamically, so the email can display the correct code based on the coupon you created. Finally, review the text to make sure the offer reads clearly around the inserted coupon content. When everything looks right, click Save and Exit. That covers everything you need to know.